Hello traders, in this review I'll be taking a look at the Grid HLevel EA for both MT4 and MT5. But before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now let's head over to the information we have here on the MQL5 Marketplace page and see what this expert advisor offers. Right away, we can see that the Grid HLevel EA is available for free, free of charge. And according to the marketplace information, it is available for both MT4 and MT5. You can see the MT4 version is this, and we are currently on the MT5 version. The current version shown here is version 1.15, updated on 5th September 2023. And as I scroll through the description, one of the first things the developer makes clear is that this is not a fully automated trading system. Instead, Grid HLevel is described as a semi-automatic expert advisor that requires ongoing trader involvement. The developer specifically states that traders will need to update support and resistance levels periodically for the EA to function correctly. And the overall concept behind the system is also explained quite openly. The EA operates using an averaging strategy and is designed to trade manually, define support and resistance levels. The developer recommends identifying the broader market direction using the valuable zigzag indicator on the H4 time frame. Okay. And then placing support and resistance levels manually on the chart to guide trading activity. Now, moving further through the marketplace page, the setup process is explained in detail. After attaching the EA to a chart, traders can configure capital management settings, choose a trading direction and select a strategy for initiating trades. Now, one area that stands out is the flexibility of the money management options. Traders can choose a fixed lot size or use automatic lot calculation based on predefined risk profiles. The developer provides 3 risk modes: the minimal risk, medium risk, and max profit, each calculating the starting lot size according to account balance. The EA also offers several trading direction modes. Users can choose buy only, sell only, buy and sell, or allow the trading direction to be determined automatically using the valuable zigzag indicator. Now, when it comes to starting a new grid, there are multiple approaches available. The EA can remain continuously active in the market, use candle direction as a filter, rely on MACD signals, or initiate trades when price interacts with manually drawn support and resistance levels. Additional controls are included to help manage the averaging process. This includes settings for minimum distance between grid orders, maximum number of grid orders, and a filter that prevents multiple orders from opening on the same candle during sharp market moves. The EA also includes take profit and trailing stop functionality, along with indicator settings used by the system. Before moving into the backtesting section, it's worth noting one important instruction from the developer. When testing this EA in the strategy tester, the visualization option should be enabled because support and resistance levels must be manually added during the testing process. Now, let us just quickly move into the backtesting discussion. All right, when reviewing historical testing performance for a semi-automatic system like this, it is important to remember that results are influenced not only by the EA settings, but also by the trader's placement of support and resistance levels, because manual input is part of the process. Testing outcomes may vary depending on how those levels are selected. All right, so I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions and different level placement approaches. Based on the image that we have here, we can see how support and resistance levels ought to be placed, and then allow the EA to do its thing. All right, and you can also see here, this seems to be how the EA looks like in action, user-friendly info panel and all of that. Now let's just quickly head over to our strategy tester, and we are just going to try to see how this EA performed in 2026 from the beginning of the year to till date. Okay, 1st January 20, sorry, this is over the past week plus. All right, this is just for the sake of time. Okay, so that's why I just had to run the test over about a week plus. But I will recommend that you run the test over a longer period of time if you're really interested in this EA, maybe a year, 2 years, or even more. Okay, so we're testing the Grid HLevel MT5 EA on XAUUSD H4 time frame, and the delays, we're using the last ping to the server. We're using every tick modeling just for some level of accuracy. Okay, so looking at the results, from an initial deposit of $100,000, total net profit was 1,499.67 loss. Okay, it was actually a loss, negative, right? So the total trades taken were 71, and out of those 71 trades, just 20 were profitable. So that gave us a 28.17% win rate. That's quite low. All right, and then the largest profit was $155, while the largest loss was 145.95. The average profit was 67.49, and the average loss was 55.87. So this also shows me that the risk to reward ratio is not so bad, but at least the average profit is bigger than the average loss. So the risk to reward ratio on average is close to 1:1. Okay, and when you put that side by side with a very poor win rate, it's not exactly surprising to see a negative net profit of about 1.5% over about a week plus. All right, so looking at the historical chart activity, the behavior appears consistent with the marketplace description. The system is designed to react around manually established support and resistance zones while managing trades through its averaging framework. The additional filters, grid controls, and trade direction options are intended to help structure how positions are added and managed throughout the trading process. As always, historical backtest results should be viewed as historical analysis rather than an indication of future performance. Actual results can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size selection, support and resistance placement, broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, market conditions, and user optimization. Overall, the Grid HLevel EA is a semi-automatic averaging-based trading system for MT4 and MT5 that combines manual support and resistance analysis with configurable grid management tools. For traders who prefer maintaining control over market levels while automating parts of the execution process, this EA offers a structured approach that can be customized to individual trading preferences. So that is my review of the Grid HLevel EA for MT4 and MT5. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.